Welcome to this video where you will learn how to avoid common grammar mistakes while writing work emails. Here are some lines written in an email. There are much new accounts opened this month. Good job done. You have to submit much documents to avail the overdraft facility. There are much checkbooks at the head office that have to be disposed of. We have lost too many money to fraudulent transactions. There is only so many risks that the bank can take. Did you notice that not adding the right words will confuse the reader and not convey the right message? Could you find any mistakes? To ensure the message is clear, in this video, we will learn about how to use many and much. Many and much are used to talk about more than one thing. Use many to talk about debit cards, coins, and forms, or anything that can be counted. Use many to talk about countable nouns that are more in number. For example, many debit cards, many coins, and many forms. Use many when you're not sure of the exact number. For example, if you're not sure if there are 50 or 60 coins on the table, you can say there are many coins on the table. Use much to talk about money, water, and time, or anything that cannot be counted. For example, there is so much water everywhere, or I don't earn too much money, or there is not much time left. Remember to use many with countable nouns and much with uncountable nouns. Now that you know how to use many and much in different situations, let us look at the sentences and correct them. Since accounts can be counted, write many accounts. Similarly, documents and checkbooks can be counted, so write many documents and many checkbooks. Money cannot be counted, so write much and not many. You can write many coins or many notes, but not many money. Similarly, risk cannot be counted, so write much risk. We hope you have now understood the difference between much and many, and how to avoid errors related to them in your work emails.